Welcome to our introductory guide to leading different personalities in the workplace. We will explore how effective leaders can adapt their approach to various personality types, and when these differences are understood, teams can achieve their highest productivity. This guide will help you to energize team members and bring out their best qualities, regardless of their personality type. Personality awareness matters because logical, detail-oriented, data-driven analytical personalities seek evidence before making decisions, whereas direct, results-focused, and decisive personalities seek challenges and quick solutions. Expressive, social, creative, and enthusiastic personalities thrive on recognition and variety, where amiable, cooperative, supportive, and harmony-seeking personalities prioritize relationships. Let's look at the key characteristics of the analytical type personality. They usually are logical, follow a methodical approach, are detail-oriented and thorough, make data-driven decisions, and value accuracy and precision. The way to lead this type of personality is to provide detailed instructions, allow time for independent work, set clear expectations, and back requests with facts and data. Next, the drivers focus on outcomes and achievements, and they measure success through tangible results and accomplishments. They usually thrive in dynamic environments, make quick decisions, and prefer direct communication without excessive details. They are very autonomous and can give them clear objectives, but allow independence in execution. They prefer authority over their work and minimal supervision. The amiables build strong relationships and foster team harmony. They usually value cooperation between members above competition, and they generally thrive in environments where everyone feels included and respected. The recommended way to approach them is to create safe spaces, minimize conflicts, and encourage open dialogue without fear of criticism. You can emphasize team unity and show how their work contributes to the group's success and well-being. To lead an expressive personality, you have to recognize their creativity. Expressives thrive when their innovative ideas receive acknowledgement and praise from leaders and peers. Offer them diverse tasks and projects to keep them engaged, as routine work will quickly lead to disengagement. Create social opportunities and allow them to collaborate and interact. Group brainstorming sessions let their enthusiasm energize others. Next, I can share some of my recommendations to energize each personality type. Provide detailed data and respect the thoroughness of analyticals, recognize their accurate work as well as their logical solutions. Set challenging goals and grant decision-making authority to drivers, and then acknowledge their efficiency and results. Foster team harmony and emphasize cooperation with amiables, and then appreciate their supportive nature and relationship building. Then, encourage creative input and public recognition with expressives, and value their enthusiasm and innovative thinking. So, to wrap it all up in short, please look at the practical leadership tips. It is important to match tasks with strengths, and assign work that aligns with natural preferences. Give the analytics data analysis, drivers leadership roles, amiables team coordination, and expressives creative projects. Tailor your communication and adapt your style to be precise with analyticals, direct with drivers, diplomatic with amiables, and enthusiastic with expressives. Then also celebrate diversity by helping team members appreciate different styles. A balanced team leverages various perspectives for optimal outcomes. If you found value in the information I shared, please like and subscribe, and join me in the next video.